The Humble Legume, delicious recipes and fascinating facts. A fascinating history of legumes from their ancient origins to their global significance today. The incredible health benefits of legumes, including improved digestion, reduced disease risk, and weight management support. Easy-to-follow instructions for cooking all your favorite legumes, from lentils and chickpeas to black beans and kidney beans. Over 80 delicious recipes featuring legumes in a variety of cuisines, with options for every taste and dietary restriction. Exploration of innovative legume-based ingredients like tempeh, miso, and aquafaba, along with creative recipe ideas. The role of legumes in a sustainable future and how they can contribute to a healthier planet. Available on Amazon.